Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the Atron Educations. In a series of lectures, it's the second class of a research methodologies. So, in the first class, we have discussed about the meaning of research. So, different uh, meanings. Those are explained in previous class. So, today we'll deal with objectives of research. What are the different objectives of research? Objective: the purpose of research is to discover answers to questions through the application of scientific procedures. Purpose of research is to discover answers to questions through the application of scientific procedures. We need to follow certain scientific procedures to find out answers, to find out the different answers. The main aim of research is to find out the truth which is hidden and which has not been discovered as yet. So we are mainly finding the truth. What is the research purpose is mainly to find out the things, the unknown, not yet discovered. The things we are finding, that is the main purpose or objective. So each research study has its own specific purpose. We may think of research objectives as fall into a number of following broad groups. Okay, so here we need to discuss four broad groups. So one by one I will try to explain. So these are broad groups, that is to gain familiarity with a phenomena or to achieve new insights in it. So if a scientific problem or anything is taken, we need to find out the insights of that particular technology or particular phenomena, and familiarity with a phenomena. If anything theory is there, we need to know more about that phenomena. So that is the first group. So the studies with this objective in view are termed as exploratory or formulative research study. So in next lectures, we will study about the research approaches. In that, we will study in detail about what are the different approaches we have, different studies. In that, we will come to know what is the exploratory and formulative research. Formulative research is we are formulating some of the new theories and new phenomena of that particular topic. Then next objective is to portray accurately the characteristics of a particular individual, situation or a group. Okay, to portray accurately the characteristics of a particular individual, situation or a group. Studies with this objective in view are known as descriptive research studies. So this is descriptive research studies. The third group is to determine the frequency with which something occurs or with which it is associated with something else. Okay, so these studies with this objective in view are known as diagnostic research study. Diagnostic research study. Determine the frequency with which. So in a frequency we are doing this research frequently. That means in a time period we will fix it, and with that time period we will go and do the research. The periodic, a diagnostic research study. Fourth one is to test a hypothesis of a causal relationship between the variables. That means in the first class itself we told about we need to make a test system, or that is a hypothesis. We need to test that the causal relationship between the variables. To test a hypothesis of a causal relationship between the variables. Variable may be anything, okay, and such studies are known as hypothesis testing studies, testing research studies. Okay, these are the main objectives of a research. Okay, to gain, what is the first one? It is mainly come under mainly four broad categories, four broad groups. First, to gain a familiarity with the phenomena, so that is a formulative or exploratory research studies. And next one is a descriptive research studies. The characteristics, portray the accuracy of the characteristics of a particular individual or group. And the third one is a diagnostic research study. That is, we are making the theory or objective in a frequent manner. We are testing it in a frequent manner, frequency with which something occurs or with which it is associated with something else. Then fourth one, final one, is hypothesis testing research studies, to test a hypothesis of a causal relationship between the variables. So that is the objectives of a research. Thank you. In the next class, we'll go with the motivation in research.